Hi, my name is Alexa. I am so excited that you are considering the medical courier industry and are thinking about purchasing the Courier Cash Starter Kit. I jumped in and just did it, and I regret not doing this sooner. I want to go through just a moment of what you need to start your successful courier business. First, what I want you to know is that you can do this business. You don't need a degree, a warehouse full of vans, or deep pockets. Here is what you really and truly need. 1. A reliable vehicle. 2. A clean driving record. 3. HIPAA certification. 4. Auto commercial insurance. 5. A smartphone with GPS. 6. Scripts and logs. 7. Equipment and supplies for your car. And most of all, 8. The Courier Cash Starter Kit. You do need a few dollars to start this business, but not all at once. And inside of the Courier Cash Guide, every single thing is laid out for you, step by step in detail with all kinds of examples. Begin with purchasing Courier Cash by Michael W. Simmons Sr., available on Amazon. Courier Cash shows you how to sit in the driver's seat of your financial future. Bye, guys. See you next time.